In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have multiple charts on TradingView. Quick thing worth knowing up front, this feature isn't available on the free plan, so if you're on Basic, you'll need at least an entry-level paid subscription to unlock it. Let's dive right in. Open up your chart and look toward the top toolbar for the Select Layout icon. It looks like a small grid or window pane, usually sitting over on the right side near your timeframe selector. Go ahead and click it, and a menu will open showing you all the grid arrangements available for your specific plan, ranging from a simple 2-chart side-by-side split all the way up to bigger 2x2 or 3x3 grids, depending on how many charts your subscription tier allows. Quick heads up before you pick one, selecting a new layout replaces whatever you currently have open right away, and there's no undo for that switch, so it's worth being sure of what you want before clicking. Once your grid is up on screen, click into any individual panel and type in the ticker you want, then hit search to assign that symbol to that specific chart. Repeat for each panel until your whole layout is filled in. By default, every panel runs completely independently of the others, meaning each one can have its own symbol, its own time frame, and its own indicators, without affecting anything else in the layout. Now, if you'd actually prefer your panels to move together rather than sit fully independent, like keeping the same symbol locked across every chart while only the time frame changes between them, there's a sync option available too that links your panels together instead of leaving each one on its own. One tip worth taking seriously: once you've got everything arranged the way you like it, save your layout and give it a clear, descriptive name. Skipping this step means rebuilding your entire setup by hand every single time you come back, which gets old fast once you've done it a few mornings in a row. A genuinely useful setup worth trying if you're not sure where to start. 3 charts of the same symbol side by side. One showing your higher time frame like daily for overall context, one at a middle time frame like 4 hour, and one at your actual entry time frame like 1 hour. That way you're never making a trading decision without seeing the bigger picture first. And that covers it. Select Layout to pick your grid, click into each panel to assign a symbol, and save it once it's set up the way you like. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.